Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing some more home hacks. I want to thank Walmart Plus for sponsoring today's video, and I'll tell you a little bit about it later. So this first hack is super simple, and it's gonna help you with your long dresses in your closet. A lot of us have long dresses that just hang down too low, and we can't put anything underneath there. So to fix that problem, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your dress that's on a long hanger, and then you're going to add an additional hanger. Then what you could do is you can loop the bottom part of your dress through the lower hanger. And then when you hang it up, it's not gonna take any more room, and it's gonna keep that lower part of your dress off the ground. So this next hack is going to be repurposing decor in your home to make it a useful item. I love picking up things at thrift stores or just finding things around my house. I have this little bowl here, and it's really cute. It's decorative. I like to put it out in a lot of different arrangements, but it also can be multi-purpose. So it's a perfect little bowl to throw your keys in. It would also be great to put out by my diffuser, and I could put all of my essential oils in it. So think about some of the items you have in your house. How can you actually repurpose them to make them useful so you don't have to go out and buy a ton of new stuff? My third hack that saves me a ton of time is using the Walmart Plus to get groceries delivered straight to my door. I started using Walmart Plus when I was trying to save time. It's really easy to use. Walmart Plus is a yearly membership of $98 a year. You do get a free trial, so this will start after your free trial. And it couldn't be simpler to order your groceries. You add what you want to your order, and then you can go and check out. Fresh, high quality ingredients, free same-day delivery from your store. You can also get unlimited free deliveries as long as you spend over $35, which I usually don't have a problem doing. I feel like I save about an hour and a half each week by having my groceries delivered, because typically I would go shopping maybe 2 times a week. Walmart Plus is great for, really planning out your weekly meals. It's also great if you run out of something and need something, it can get sent over to you. All you have to do is go into the app, order what you need, have it delivered, super convenient. So my order showed up on time. Everything is fresh, it's still cold. I wanted to show you guys some of the things that I love ordering with my Walmart Plus order. One thing are these market side salad bowls. These are great for lunches. They're just quick and easy. I can throw it together. Love eating these. They have a smaller size, and then they also have a family size you can get as well. I also will grab like the salad bags by Market Side. We'll have these a lot of times with our dinner. I also love all the fresh produce at Walmart. We have strawberries, and they have tons of organic items. So I get the organic mini cucumbers. I have organic carrots, organic celery. I have this watermelon. I'm obsessed with watermelon in the summer, so I always grab one of those. And if you're pressed for time, another thing I like to get are the fruit trays that they have at Walmart. Walmart Plus has a free trial, so you can completely try it out before you commit to the year or a monthly membership. So just go to walmartplus.com. My URL is going to be down in the description box. You can go click on that link and check it out. So our next hack is gonna be with my bread that I got from my Walmart Plus order. Now, a lot of times, you guys know these little bread ties, they fall off. They're not reliable. I mean, who really likes these? I know my kids lose them all the time. So here's a solution to keep your bread fresh if you lose this or just don't wanna spend time, twisting this around there. That's no fun. So take your bread bag, and then what you're gonna do is just give it like a quick twist. Then you're gonna take this upper portion here, and you're just going to simply pull it down over your bread. Look at how tight and compact that is. It took me, a couple of seconds to do. Love that. Next, let's talk car hacks. We all spend a lot of time in our cars, so the simpler we can make it, the better. Now, I have this problem in my car that when I have someone sitting in my passenger seat, I don't have a place for my purse. I found this gadget that you could tie to the top part of your headrest and then wrap it around the bottom part of your console in the back, and it creates like a little fun hammock. Now I can just simply place my purse in there. It's not sitting on my console, it's not sitting in the passenger seat, it's really not disturbing anybody in the back seat. It's just a perfect little place for my purse. Love that. So I love having hand sanitizer in my car. This little container fits perfectly in my cup holder. I can fill it up with hand sanitizer and just have it ready, and I can give it to my kids. You could put it in the back seat, front seat, but love having this in my car. So the next hack I want to share with you is kind of a design related hack, and it's all about creating balance in your home decor. When I was decorating this dresser in my living room, I really wanted the piece to have balance. I wanted it to have just as much height on one side as it does on the other. Let's say for instance, I would have just had the lamp placed here and then the other side, really didn't have anything on there. It would have felt a little bit lopsided and the piece wouldn't have been as balanced. So what I decided to do was place two pictures in the background. My larger one I put on the right side so it was opposite of my lamp, and that just really helps to balance out the piece on the right side and give me balance. And then I followed it up by adding in a tall plant as well to really balance the scale on both sides. Now it's visually pleasing because I don't have too many items on one side and not the other. This is also a great tip to keep in mind when you're placing your furniture. You want to make sure you have enough balance in your room and not all of your furniture is stuck to one side of your room. I've been trying to use my power drill a lot more lately, and I've been trying to learn some different hacks to really help me, do a better job. Sometimes when you're drilling through a piece of wood, you'll have wood splitting on the back side because your drill goes in and it splits the wood. And nobody wants their wood splitting. So this hack is if you take another piece of wood and put it underneath the wood that you're drilling and then drill through, it will avoid that splitting in your board. I think this is a really great idea. So just have like a scrap board that you can use whenever you're drilling. So recently I wanted to do some touch-up paint in my house. So I went out to my garage, found the paint can that I needed, brought it back in, opened it up, and it was gloopy. It was just not great. It really hadn't been stored well, and it just wasn't usable anymore. And it was probably only a couple of years old. So I thought, there's gotta be a better solution for storing paint, keeping it fresh longer. I found this hack where somebody said, use reusable jars to store your excess paint. And I thought, that's a great idea. So I had this old jar from my Walmart Plus order that I created, and I'm just gonna use it to store some of my excess paint in here. And it has a nice tight lid on it, so it's gonna last longer. It's glass. I can also write on the top where the paint goes in my house, so I can easily find this. So love this idea. I'm gonna be trying this out and seeing if it works, seeing if my paint actually holds up. So this next hack is a party hack that you can try for your next party. So this is a way to tie balloons. Now I know I struggle with tying balloons, especially when I have nails on. So for this hack, you're gonna blow up your balloon, then you're gonna get an old hanger, you're gonna wrap your balloon around the hanger, and then pull it through. It's going to create a nice area where you can easily tie your balloon. I think this hack is genius, and I really think it's gonna save me time at parties. Our next hack is for making your planters you have a little bit taller and a little bit more substantial. So I have this plant at my office that I just kind of stuck in a basket. It doesn't really look cute in there, and I need to fix it and make it look better. So what you want to do is you want to start by putting some books down at the bottom, something that it can sit on. You can also add in, Walmart sacks, plastic bags. Then put your plant on when it's at the height that you want it to be at. Then you can add in anything to create a nice filler. You could add in moss, you could add in rocks, really whatever you want to top it off. But what this is going to do is it's going to raise the height of your plant. So it's gonna make it look like a bigger plant, and it's gonna make it look nice if anybody looks into the basket. This next hack is perfect for securing your chips. So I grabbed these poppables in my Walmart Plus order, and after you open a bag of chips, you know, a lot of times we'll do, you know, like one of these and put a little clip in it, and sometimes it falls off, sometimes, you know, it stays, but it's just not super fresh. So here is the trick that I learned. So take your container, and you can do this when it's pretty full because, I mean, let's be honest, we don't get too much product. Then you're gonna just grab your pair of scissors and you're gonna cut a triangle out of your bag like this, okay? So this is what your bag's gonna look like. What that does is it creates two little handles that you're going to tie in a knot. So you're gonna take your two handles and pull one under the other, and you're gonna pull tight. You've created a nice tight seal for your chip bags. Love this, and you don't have to have one of these anymore. You're gonna have to let me know which was your favorite hack down in the comments, and if you haven't already checked out Walmart Plus, I'm gonna leave my link for you down in the description box, so just go click on it. I know I love having it. Go check it out and see what you think. And if you're new here, make sure that you subscribe. I post 2 DIYs each week, and I'll talk to you guys on our next one. Bye. This video was sponsored by Walmart Plus.